It is the most common question in matrimonial law. If my spouse is unfaithful, do I still have to pay maintenance? Most people think it is an automatic no, but a landmark 2026 ruling from the Delhi High Court just changed the game. Today we are breaking down the case of Ateet Jain versus Chhavi Jain. In this case, the husband brought forward photos and digital evidence. His argument was simple. She is living in adultery, therefore she should not get a penny. Under section 125 of the CrPC, that's a usually strong argument. But this case was filed under the Domestic Violence Act, and that's where things got interesting. The court had to decide, can you stop interim maintenance just because of an accusation? Justice Swarana Kanta Sharma clarified three massive points that every litigant needs to know. First one, allegations are not proof. You can't stab a spouse based on a photo that has not been cross examined yet. A trial takes years. Maintenance is for survival now. The second one is the TV Act is different. Unlike the CRPC, the Domestic Violence Act is welfare legislation. The court ruled you cannot simply import the adultery bar from other laws to deny support at the start. The third and the most important point is continuous versus occasional. The law does not look for a one time mistake. To lose maintenance, one must be living in adultery, meaning a continuous stable relationship. But wait, there is a twist that protects the husband too. The court introduced a refund safeguard. If the trial ends and the court finds the wife was living in adultery, she does not just stop getting paid. She has to refund every single rupee she received as interim maintenance plus interest. It is the court's way of saying, we will protect your survival now, but we won't let you profit from deceit later. In this case, here is the conclusion. The takeaway, an allegation of adultery is no longer a get out of jail free card for interim maintenance in Delhi. It's a matter of evidence, trial, and eventually accountability. If you are facing this, remember the TV Act is a shield for survival, not a sword for morality, at least until the final verdict is in.